Hello, this is Chad with Syncfusion, and a customer asks about putting font awesome icons in our Angular spreadsheet control. Let's take a look at it. Here is the customer request. It's pretty straightforward. Now, what we did to accomplish this. First, all of our JavaScript controls are built with a JavaScript template being the first class citizen. That's how we give you the ability to change the look and feel, aside from the style sheets, of our controls. Now, the customer gave us, actually gave us a link to version 4 of this particular comment icon. And Font Awesome is not our product, but we have helped customers in the past with version 5. So we gave this customer the version 5 answer. And as we look at this, Font Awesome does have a lot of really cool icons. This one here caught my attention. This is my daughter's favorite thing. She calls it a happy. So I'm going to copy this and I'll use that later. Now, Font Awesome is not our product and we don't use them because we have our own, there it is, we have our own icon software. This is Metro Studio. It's got over 7,000 icons. It is free. Come download it and see what you think. Now to the sample. Here is the actual sample we gave the customer. And I'm going to start with the HTML. We're adding the Font Awesome icons here just from a CDN link. The rest of this HTML is pretty boring. And then here in the actual TypeScript for this sample, we are just importing Syncfusion. Then we're creating a spreadsheet and we're adding a template to a particular range of cells. That template is that comment that the customer gave us. Now, if we wanted to use the happy I just copied, then we can change this. And we now have happies in those same cells. So that was it. It was just that easy. Syncfusion controls are built for a JavaScript template. Thank you very much for watching.